Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to add music to TikTok. If you're trying to create a video content on TikTok and you'd like to add a music but don't know how to do it, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your TikTok application and get started. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are, in order to create a video content and add music to it, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your camera screen. If you'd like to take a video right now and add a song later, then simply go ahead and record your video by pressing the red icon at the bottom of the screen. You can also add in an existing video from your camera roll. Tap on the upload button at the lower right corner and select a video that you would like to add a song on. Now select an existing video from your camera roll that you would like to add a music to. Once you select a video, tap on the next button in the lower right corner. From the video preview page, tap on the next button in the top right corner. Tap on the sounds button in the bottom right corner in order to add in the music to it. Now, select the music from the recommended list or pick one of the music that you have saved earlier. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a music on your TikTok video. Tap on the next button in the bottom right corner after you are done. Mention your friends, add in some hashtags for your video, and simply post it on by tapping on the post button in the lower right corner. That is how you'll be able to add music quickly to a TikTok video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.